Cyrus the Great built an empire through conquest. But conquest alone does not keep an empire alive. When Cyrus died, the world he created began to fall apart. Lies replaced loyalty. Rebellion replaced unity. And from this chaos, one man stepped forward, not just to rule, but to save the empire. This is the story of Darius the Great, the man who turned conquest into an empire. The death of Cyrus did not bring peace. It brought confusion. False kings claimed the throne. Provinces declared independence. Babylon rebelled. Media rebelled. Egypt rebelled. The empire stretched across continents, but it had no center holding it together. Persia did not need another conqueror. It needed order. Darius was not born to be king. He was not the direct heir. He was a noble from the royal family, a man trained in war, administration, and discipline. Darius understood something others did not. Conquest wins land. Organization keeps it. When chaos erupted, Darius did not hesitate. He acted. In 522 BC, Darius overthrew a false king who claimed royal blood. He declared himself the rightful ruler, chosen by law, lineage, and the gods. But claiming the crown was only the beginning. Almost every corner of the empire rejected him. Darius was king in name, but not yet in reality. What followed was one of the most intense years in ancient history. Darius marched relentlessly. He fought rebels in Media. He crushed uprisings in Babylon twice. He restored control over Egypt. In less than 1 year, Darius fought multiple wars across thousands of kilometers. He later carved his victories into stone, the Behistun inscription. It was not propaganda alone, it was a warning. This empire has a master again. Darius understood that fear alone could not rule an empire. He reorganized everything. The empire was divided into provinces called satrapies, each ruled by a governor but watched closely. Power was separated. Governors ruled, generals commanded armies, officials controlled finances. No one held absolute power except the king. Darius introduced fair taxation, standardized laws, a common currency. He built roads, including the Royal Road, stretching thousands of kilometers. Messages that once took months now took days. This was no longer a conquered world. It was a system. Darius did not rule only through war and law. He built cities, palaces, infrastructure. Persepolis rose as a symbol, not of terror, but of order and unity. Different cultures worked side by side. The empire functioned because it was allowed to breathe. Stability brought strength. Strength brought ambition. Greek cities under Persian influence rebelled. Darius answered. For the first time, Persia would face the West. The wars with Greece were coming, and they would define the next generation. Cyrus built the empire. Darius made it last. Without Darius, Persia would have collapsed under its own weight. Because of him, it became the greatest, most organized empire the ancient world had ever seen. He did not just rule history. He structured it. Darius did not conquer the world. He taught an empire how to endure. If you want to continue this journey through the great wars of history, subscribe.